Engine's back on. All hung up, nice and secured. It's just dust and shit. Needs to be cleaned up. So now, the next step is, I got this dull paint that I'm making shiny again. As you can see, there's a really big difference now compared to that front of the boat to back there. All I'm using is 3,000 grit and 2,000 grit. Well, 2,000, 3,000, and 5,000 wet sanding. Two different types of rubbing compound I'm going back and forth with. Use the buffer on the compound and then a quick spray wax. There's as you can tell, from the bottom of the boat to the top of the boat, there's a huge difference in it. But it's coming along. Little scuffs here and there. Whatever. Old boat.